Okay, welcome to the guide on making the movies. Okay, so a movie comes in three parts, right? Okay, the beginning, the middle, and the end, man. I can't really tell you right now what each one of those constitutes, but it doesn't matter because it's the middle. You got to think about the middle. Like so when you're telling a story, just normally you put in all those parts, but you don't think about it. The middle's really where all the action is. Okay, that's where the middle is. Where's all the action? It's where the people like whenever you get done watching it, it's what they remember. But thing is, in order to make that memorable, you have to make the exact middle. You have to make the middle, beginning, the end follow the same exact DNA helix of every little genome is going to be like a little thing that happens. So say in the middle, the guy gets his watch stolen or something, right? Then in the beginning, show off the watch. You show off the watch, and or maybe he talks about the watch, or maybe and then he talks about, like oh, don't like getting mugged, And in the big middle, this stuff happens, and at the end, I'm not really exactly sure what to do at the end, but then you do another thing like you did at the beginning. You link it together again, you know, same little DNA helix, except maybe this time he gets his watch back, or maybe I don't know, he steals a watch from somebody else, you know, something that connects it. So I make a good movie, and you can have whatever you want to have action wise, going on, but as long as you keep those like the same, like little idea seed the same in all three parts. Boom,